What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a literal case. I teamed up with NTWRK to show you guys this off-court flight case that they sent to me. This box is apparently filled with 23 of the most exclusive Jordan sneakers that have ever been produced, as well as 2 Jordan rookie cards, and you guys can literally win this for free. So off-court day is coming up on March 27th and March 28th on the NTWRK app. Now this is a virtual festival celebrating basketball culture and is going to be hosted by Don C. So this is going to be insane, and I cannot believe this happened. They literally sent this insane crate. How are we going to get this upstairs? Like, this is crazier packaging than a 100K mystery box. I'm sorry to say, but it is. Should we open it and kind of tease it first and then go up there? All right, let's do it a little bit. I haven't even seen what's inside here. They just dropped it off and said, get ready to film. All right, here we go. So these crazy cases on the side. We'll open it up. Okay, I'm excited. All right, guys, so, oh, dude. I see an 85 box. I think it's an 85 box or a 94. Oh my, all right, we gotta get this up. I can't have this in the street. All right, we gotta set up the camera so we can get this in there. Let's go. Look how crazy this thing is. So what I think I want to do, we can't get this upstairs. I think I want to open this and start showing you some of the shoes, and then we'll take all the boxes upstairs and then unbox them, all right? So let's open this back up. So they presented me with this idea to show off these shoes that are going to be given away and me be the one to kind of announce the shoes. So they sent this case, obviously. Oh, let's open this up. Jeez, we have 23 pairs right here. On the inside here, we have NTWRK Presents Off-Court Flight Case. This is not the craziest mystery box that we've had yet. Oh my gosh, I'm already seeing some crazy ones. We have Jordan 1 Dior. Oh, I can name a bunch. This box though. Oh, dude. So I am entering this because how can one person win these for free? What should we do? Should we unbox one? I'm gonna explain more on how you can win these in a little bit, but let's go for this one. I'm gonna pick, all right. We have, a OVO Jordan. Let's pull these out. This is 1 of 23. Oh wait, where's the cards? Oh, they're rookie cards. Ooh, there's rookie cards. That's crazy, dude. We're have to open those out here. All right, here we go. We have a pair. Oh my, here we go. There's a little card in here. Basically says the off-court flight case. Jordan 12 OVO in white. Pull these out. Oh, these are clean. Check those out. I honestly need a pair of these. All right. There's some more hidden in the back too, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, so there's another one on each of these rows. All right, so in here, we have a Gem Mint 10, 1992 Upper Deck Michael Jordan basketball card. Look at that. One more, and then we're taking them all upstairs. These are the Just Dawn Jordan 1 BHMs. Woo! Dang, got the translucent sole. All right, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's take every single one of these upstairs. Each one comes in a nice little card too. So Nick's grabbing a box right now. We're gonna try to keep these in order, go from the bottom, 23s at the bottom, go all the way up. If one of my viewers wins this box, I'm going to go crazy. I wanna fly to you with this, like that would be crazy. Like if we could unbox it together, show you guys, I don't know, that'd be nuts. There's gonna be so many people entering those. All right, we're gonna be very delicate with this. Here we go. Boxes. We're not gonna try to smash them in there or anything. Let's take these and we'll be back down to get the rest. Case is clear. Now I think they have a specific order they want me to open these in. These are some of the most exclusive Jordans. Now I'm probably gonna have some of these because these are supposed to be iconic. And if you get them, you're gonna have some of the most iconic Jordans that have ever released. All right, we got 2 more trips. Let's get it done. of breath. Imagine if we carried that case up here. All right, I'm gonna try to put these in order for the unboxing, and then we'll see what kind of stuff we got into. There's some crazy stuff I already see. All right, so we're gonna get to the sneakers now. One single person is gonna win these on a network app. So let's go first. We're gonna go in order. We have a Jordan 1 Dior High. One of the best, craziest releases of last year. Got the nice little card here. We'll pull out the sneakers. You have the little extras, the laces, inserts, and then the sneaker itself. I just tried on this size the other day. Jordan 1 Dior, dead stock. These are like 8 grand right now. Crazy. Imagine if you just get these alone for free. It's insane. So that's number one, $8,000. Let me move some of these beaters out of the way, just taking up space. All right, number 2 is what I assume the off-white Jordan 1 Chicago. Again, one of the most iconic Jordan 1s, like of all time. These are in the $5,000 to $6,000 range now, which is crazy. A dead stock pair. I'm jealous for who gets this, like genuinely jealous. If you get it literally for free. And if you win, you just have to pay $1 to get all these shoes. Just these two are so iconic. All right, number 3. What do we have here? We have a Jordan 1. Jordan 1, oh. Is this the first time we've had these on this channel? This might be. This is one that I've been, oh. Man, the Fragment, almost dropped it. Fragment Jordan 1. You can see by the Fragment logo right there. I know that this is not like a crazy colorway or anything, but for what this is an iconic shoe. See what the price? $5,500. Sheesh, that's insane. Sneaker number 3. Got these 3. I'm gonna run out of space, quick. All right, next pair up. Looks, I'm not sure what these are. Oh, I opened these earlier. The Jordan 1 high strap. Pull these out. This is the Just On BHM. You guys saw these earlier. Now, one thing to point out on these, which Nick did as he was putting this together, was if you look, attention, Jake Van Dam. If you're not sure, he's the senior footwear developer over at Nike. So the next pair is one that's right here. I didn't want to crush the box. Now, I thought this might be an 85. It's up there. Oh, this is a Jordan 1 Bred from 1994 with the box. I had a pair of 94 Chicago's, but I didn't have the box or the card. Oh, guys, look at this. This card is brand new. Look at that. Wow, this is crazy. This is history. Look at the paper. 1985 NCAA basketball, Carolina, oh no, championship. NBA Rookie of the Year, has all his accolades. Oh, this shoe is a year older than me. This shoe is now 26 years old. This paper is like, I'm trying to be careful. This paper is fragile. Wow. I'm just gonna say wow all video. They still look new. Or they are new, but like, they don't even look that old. Dead stock. You guys will see details of these overlay, but look at the Nike Air on the tongue. I myself am geeking over just having these right now. So when somebody wins these. Next up are shoes that I think I recognize. Both of these boxes are similar. Jordan 1 Unions. Yup, man. Jordan 1 Union black toe. This shoe shot up in value, going for like $3,000 now. I sold 3 pairs for 800 bucks. L. So we have the red toe, and I assume this is going to be the blue toe, and I'm correct. Number 2. This shelf right here is gonna be the craziest shelf at the end of the day. So next up, wouldn't be iconic Jordan sneakers if it didn't include the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. Pull these bad boys out. You guys know, iconic. I've got a pair of dead stock right there. Another one, these are probably in the $1,700 range now. I'm just imagining one person starting their collection like this. It doesn't even make sense. It's hard to fathom. One person. All right, next up, what do we got here? Got a Jordan 1 box. We have a Jordan 1 reverse shattered backboard. I've slept on these too much. These are beautiful. Look at that leather. Look at the creasing. Oh man, this is a beautiful shoe. These shot up as well. These gotta be what, the $1,000 range? Jordan 1 shattered backboard reverse. Not the OG pair, still a crazy pair nonetheless, and a classic. Put these to the side. All right, next up. This is a Cause Jordan. I assume this is a Cause Jordan 4, either in gray or black. So let's see. It is the black pair. Sheesh. I've had a pair of gray ones. I never ended up wearing them. Cause is an amazing artist, as you guys might know. And this was kind of like a crazy collab that happened. As you guys can see, it is black suede with the Cause hand embossed on there. And on the outsole, it is glow in the dark, and it's got the Cause logo as well. Another one in the 1,000+ range easily. Reminds me of like the Black Cat 4s, but just kind of that Cause flair. All right, we'll put these in the little shelving unit. Next up, I see a trophy. This is a Jordan 5 trophy room, correct? I think so. This box is nuts. I've actually never had these in person. Ooh, this is the ice blue. Check this out. Inside, we got the little, I guess this is a photo of the trophy room right there. You have the dust bag with the Jordan Jumpman. You got the trophy on the back, and then the trophy rooms. I remember a lot of people slept on these when they came out. And ooh, the inside has like basketball flooring. People slept on these when they came out, and then the prices shot up. Everybody realized what was going on. I'm not a huge fan of the 5s just because of how puffy they are, I always say, but this shoe, iconic. This collection is gonna just put you on a different level. Next up is a Jordan 4. Jordan 4 Cactus Jack. I'm just jealous of everything that you guys are getting. I have some of these shoes, yes, but all these together, insane. Jordan 4 Cactus Jack. This is the blue pair. Amazing pair. No, dude, these are like 1,500 bucks now. Got a couple Travis releases in here. Man, we have so many left. I probably should speed up a little bit. All right, we'll put these down here. Next up, we have, this is the OVO Jordan 12 we opened before. I really like these, they're clean. Hopefully Drake gets some more shoe collabs soon. OVO 12s. All right, so we filled this up. Now we just gotta, I don't know what we're gonna do. Got some Just Dawns right here. Pull these out. Ooh, the blue pair. You have the dust bag. This is similar to that trophy room one. The all blue Just Dawn 2. Jordan 2 is not a shoe that's remade much with different colorways, and this one was crazy. They had it in pink and tan, I remember. Even got the pin. Jordan 2 Just Dawn, great quality. And you already know Just Dawn is gonna be announcing the winner of these, so. All right, next up is going to be a Jordan 6 Travis Scott. You can tell by the box. So you're getting the Travis 1, 4, and 6. Boom, check that out right there. Glow in the dark outsole. Then, I believe this is going to be the neutral gray 85. One of my new favorite, very stiff material, but the colorway, amazing. Structured after the 1985 Jordan 1 neutral gray. All right, next up, a classic Jordan box. And we have a Royal Jordan 1, I think this is 2001. 2001 Royal Jordan 1. This is 20 years old now. That's insane to think. If you're born in 2000, you're 20 years old now. Here's the 2016 shoe compared to the 2001. This one's a little bit lighter, but crazy. All right, next up, let's keep moving. We have a Jordan 3 white cement. This is the free throw line pair. You can tell by, if you look at the bottom, I've actually never had this pair either. I've had some white cements, but I've never had the free throws. Remember, we still got the rookie card. This is the ultimate Jordan experience. You cannot top this. Next up, we have the Tinker Hatfield Jordan 3 Super Bowls. You guys remember Justin Timberlake pulling out the crazy stuff on the Super Bowl? Those are so clean. The white swoosh, got on the inside the stitched Nike right there. Nike Air on the back, and then this one has the Tinker Hatfield hang tag. 4 more, guys. Still insane. Looks like we have the Jordan 4 or Jordan 5 off-white in the sail colorway, a more recent off-white release. Another older pair. This one, what's this? Ooh, we have a 2000 Space Jam. Are these dead stock? I think these are all dead stock. That's crazy. If any, you guys, I wonder how many of my viewers have seen the movie Space Jam. Here you go, you got the card along with it. It says 11 on the back, shows you which number it is. Icon after icon with these sneakers. All right, what do we got? We got 2 more. We have a black cement Jordan 3 from 2018. Like I said, classics, can never go wrong. Nike Air on the back. You get the nice little aged Nike Air hang tag. 1 more around here. We got an OVO. This is a OVO, I believe Jordan 10. Drake has these in black and white colorway. These didn't do so crazy. You can see there's the OVO logo underneath the outsole. I'm surprised these never took off. Like they never went for like crazy prices. I remember when they released them, and that is number 23. But don't forget, rookie cards. Let's get some info on these. So this one right here, this 1992 Upper Deck Michael Jordan rookie card sold for $800 on eBay right there. Sold for $430. Two cards are going crazy right now. I wouldn't be surprised if these go insanely higher in price. All right guys, so like I said, NTWRK app is doing the off-court virtual festival. It's gonna be hosted by Don C from March 27th to March 28th. Now on that day, they're going to be doing all sorts of different drops on the NTWRK app. If you haven't seen, NTWRK app basically does these all the time for different events, and they've been having a lot of these virtual events, and this one specifically, they're doing the off-court flight case, which is going to be completely free to enter. So the entry is free for this, and if you win, all you have to do is pay $1 as the $1 fee as your winning fee, and the winner will be announced on March 28th, which is the second day of off-court. So if you win, you're literally gonna get the case that we saw in the garage, and with each shoe, you get a little card showing that was with the case. Make sure you download the NTWRK app, which will be linked down below. Your entry is free, but if you refer friends to the app, you will get more entries. That can be found on your NTWRK profile. And definitely make sure to follow NTWRK on social so you guys don't miss out on the event coming up. All of these sneakers could be yours. Literally 23 pairs, 2 rookie cards. Tell me this is not insane. So this whole thing, $50,000 worth of sneakers and rookie cards could be yours for literally for free. Guys, if you don't know the NTWRK app, they're the legit as legit gets for sneaker drop apps. They've been going crazy lately. They're teamed up with so many of the big celebrities, and this one is gonna be crazy. Don C is hosting it, $50,000 of shoes, one person, for $1, or it's free, but $1. And if it's one of you guys, I wanna fly out and unbox this with you. So I'll leave that offer out there. If you guys enjoyed this crazy unboxing, leave a like down below. If you wanna see more stuff with NTWRK in the future, let me know, because I'm so excited to do more with them after seeing that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison, signing out.